Christine Haslam. I'm the office manager and I've been here 3 years. I went to Brunswick High School. I graduated in 1990 and I would say there was probably roughly about 300 people that graduated with us. My professional experience goes back to graduating from high school. I went to dental school for a few years, graduated from there, pursued that for about 6 years. I got out of that and did some various things in between, and then I worked for an orthopedic for about 6.5 years. And Jason kept coming in, and he would stop by infrequent and trying to get us to refer patients, and I instantly loved Jason. We had a connection, and he invited me to come work with him, and I've been here ever since, and I love it. I wouldn't change anything.